SHIB burn rate rocketed more than 4,100% today amid a rally in the crypto market, with top analysts hinting towards a potential Shiba Inu rally to $0.0005. The recent surge in the SHIB burn rate has sparked optimism, as evidenced by the recent Shiba Inu price rally. Notably, the burn rate has rocketed more than 4,100% today, bolstering market sentiment amid the already bullish momentum noted in the broader crypto market. Besides, top analysts have also predicted a potential breakout ahead for SHIB price, hinting towards a rally to $0.0005. SHIB burn rate rockets 4,100%, sparking market optimism. According to the latest data by SHIBBurn, the SHIB burn rate rocketed 4,106.82% today, gaining significant attention from investors. The Shiba Inu burning tracker showed that more than 171.28 million SHIB tokens were burned in the last 24 hours, indicating a strong rally ahead. Notably, the highest burn was conducted by the wallet address 0xA65-55347, alone burning 169.28 million tokens in the latest transaction. However, despite the surge in the 24-hour time frame, the weekly burn rate for Shiba Inu was over 68%, with around 195.05 million tokens destroyed. Meanwhile, with the latest Shiba Inu burn frenzy, a total of 410.73 trillion tokens were burnt from the initial supply, and the current circulating supply stood at 589.21 trillion. Notably, the burning of the tokens indicates a potential rally ahead for the assets. For context, the token burns usually reduce the overall supply from the market, which in turn boosts the assets' prices. Amid this, a flurry of experts has shared bullish forecasts for Shiba Inu, further fueling market sentiments. Besides, it also comes amid a robust rally in the crypto's price, amid a rally in the top meme coins, as well as in the broader crypto market. Shiba Inu rally to $0.0005. SHIB price today was up nearly 10% and exchanged hands at $0.0000273. The token's one-day trading volume rocketed 127% to $3.34 billion, and the crypto touched a 24-hour high of $0.0000274. Besides, Shiba Inu futures open interest rose 14% to $114.35 million, indicating growing market confidence towards the asset. Now, with the soaring SHIB burn rate, a recent Shiba Inu price analysis highlights a pattern that indicates that the crypto could double soon. This indicates the soaring optimism of investors towards the digital asset space, especially the meme coins sector. In addition, recent on-chain data also indicates that top meme coins like Doge, SHIB, PayPay, and others could continue to rally in the coming days. The analysis noted that the investors have not fully entered the crypto market, which indicates a further rally ahead. Meanwhile, adding to the positive sentiment, prominent crypto market analyst Ali Martinez has also shared a bullish forecast. In a recent post, Martinez noted that SHIB mirrors a similar pattern as Doge, which indicates that the crypto could soon hit $0.00049 in the coming days.